ONDO. Should you buy it? That's what we're going to talk about. I wanted to make a video. It's going to be short. It's going to be sweet. Now, nothing I say is advice. As I always say, I'm just a big dumb animal. So I'm not telling you that you should buy ONDO. That's not what I'm saying at all. Because I did a video a while ago, and the last time I looked at it, the price was $1.14. And I said, I think it's going to get to $3.60 to $6. So I was looking at like a 6X. I'm talking about short term. I'm talking about this bull run over the next 6 to 12 months, maybe mid 2024. Who really knows? But that's what it looked like last time. And that was at $1.14. And now it's sitting at 70 cents. There's a link down below that I've created a new community because there's so much information about all of these different cryptos. It's hard to put it all out on YouTube, and it's hard to have discussions. So maybe you don't own it yet and you're considering buy it. Again, not telling you to buy it, but you might also, if you already own it, want to DCA in. And for those of you that aren't as cool as me, DCA means dollar cost averaging. I love acronyms. I don't love acronyms. I hate acronyms. People use acronyms because it makes them feel superior. You're going to DCA in? You're going to DCA in? I'm DCAing in. You DCAing in? I hate acronyms. So dumb. So this is October 2nd. I wanted to put this out real quick because I don't know how long this downfall is going to last. The market has gone down. Everyone's giving you all these different reasons. I don't care what the reason is. At the moment, it's down. Now, this is a chart of total 3, which, as you know, excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's down quite a bit. It's bouncing around the 200-day. In my opinion, it's still about to take off. So I was looking at things I would want to buy more of. One thing I love about ONDO is, and I won't get into the whole video. This is the video here. It was 20 minutes where I talk about ONDO and what they do. Short, they're into DeFi space. They're into RWA, DeFi, decentralized finance, RWA, real world assets. There, I just use acronyms. What a buffoon I am. They've tokenized US treasuries and they've done it successfully. Now, some of you might think, well, tokenizing treasuries, that's not sexy. Well, it's not sexy, but on a daily basis, there's over 800 billion worth of treasuries traded. And the total US treasury market is around $27 trillion. It's a huge market. A lot of you watching this are young, so you're like, treasuries, what do I do with a treasury? I don't want that. But older people, as they get older, and particularly in their 80s or 90s, if they want to preserve wealth, financial advisors usually say, hey, buy things that aren't as volatile. Stocks are for the younger. If you're in your 20s and you lose a chunk of cash, you might be able to gain it back pretty quickly. If you're a lot older, in your 80s or so, you may not even be working. If you lose a chunk of cash, it's gone. Chances are you're not going to get it back. So they tend to shift to things more like treasuries. Anyway, point is, you may not think it's interesting, but just look at how big the treasury market is. They've done it successfully. And as far as I know, they're one of the best cryptos at the moment for doing that. They're the one that everyone references, and they're at 70 cents with a total market capitalization. That's not fully diluted, but their market cap is under $1 billion now. So I'm a big fan of ONDO. In my opinion, I think a 10X is fairly simple at this price. At 70 cents, there, it just went to 0.69. It could go lower. If it gets down to 0.55, I might buy a little more. Here at 0.70, it's a great buy, in my opinion. So I just want to point this video out because I don't know how long this downturn is going to last, but this is one of my favorites in the real world asset space, particularly if I can get it this cheap. Because it is one of the most well-known, it is one of the larger market cap ones, so therefore typically it doesn't have potentially as much upside. But in my opinion, a $7, a 10X is a no-brainer for ONDO at this price. That's it for today. Have a great day. I hope we can all make generational wealth together with crypto. Thanks for watching.